Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unplug your Hyundai Ioniq. First, always ensure your vehicle is completely powered off before attempting to unplug it. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any electrical issues. Next, locate the charging port release button, usually found near the charging port itself or inside the cabin. Press and hold this button to disengage the lock. Then, firmly grasp the charging handle and prepare to remove it smoothly. Following these initial steps ensures a safe start to the unplugging process. Once the vehicle's lock is disengaged, focus on the charging connector. Many connectors have their own release button, often a small lever or button on the handle. Press this button while simultaneously pulling the connector straight out from the port. It's important to use steady, even pressure and avoid any twisting or jerking motions. Forcing the connector can damage both the vehicle's port and the charging cable. A smooth, direct pull is key for proper removal. After successfully removing the charging connector, there are a few important steps to complete. First, always replace the charging port cover securely. This protects the port from dirt, moisture, and potential damage. Next, properly store your charging cable. Coil it neatly and place it in its designated storage area to prevent kinks or wear. Finally, quickly check your vehicle's dashboard or charging indicator lights to confirm that the charging process has completely stopped and the vehicle is ready for operation. These steps ensure longevity for your equipment. Sometimes a connector might seem stuck. If this happens, try locking and then unlocking your vehicle's doors using your key fob. This often resets the locking mechanism and allows the connector to release. Also, check the charging station screen for any error messages. These can provide clues. If issues persist, consult your Ioniq's owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.